in my PC210 LC-10 for the first time, and just kind of messing around. I had some people come in, dig this pond, and was just playing with the bucket and everything. So anyway, this is kind of cool. So watch this. I go ahead and take this like this, right up here like this, and I take this and watch this. Watch what happens. Makes like a whirlpool bucket thing. Isn't that cool? And then I go like this. Now watch this. How about that? That is so freaking cool. It's the little things, man. It's the. Watch this. Oh, we could use it as a wave maker. Oh, geez. Are you kidding me? I loved Tonka Trucks back in the day. This is almost as cool as a Tonka Truck. Good times. Lots of stuff to do with this. Chapter 1.